Hi, I'm Glenda. Welcome to our school.
Hello, I'm Joe. And this is Ozzy. And I have some deliveries for you. But I can't remember what they are. Paper, some paint, and a book. I have them on my bike.
Oh, there's the school bell. I must go to class.
Okay, Ozzy, I've some deliveries to make.
Let's love sign. School. School. You sign. School. Good. School.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Miss McCormack, and this is Laurie May.
Hello, Laurie May. How did you know who I was?
We are waiting on a delivery from Dizzy Deliveries. It's a special day, and we're making a present for our Principal Glenda.
Ah, it's a surprise. This is a lovely class.
Today is a special day. We are making a book for our Principal Glenda.
Oh!
It's going to be a book of pictures. We are going to paint the pictures.
You're going to paint a picture?
Yes.
You'll need paper for that.
Yes.
Wait here. Some paper.
Thank you, Joe. Paper to paint the pictures.
And we are looking for the library.
This is the library. Let's love sign. Library. Library. You sign. Library. Good. Library.
Hello.
Hello, Joe.
No.
I'm Hannah. And this is Sadie.
Hello, Hannah. Hello, Sadie. So this is the library.
People come here to read.
Sorry.
Sorry. Wow! Look at all these books.
I love books. Play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
It's open.
Action! It's broken! We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this.
Let's love sign. Ball. Ball. You sign. Ball. Good. Ball.
No ball.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. A football. Let's go!
Go for Casper.
I remembered. I've a delivery for you. Wait here. Here, a crown.
That is too small.
You look a bit silly.
Let's love sign. Silly. Silly. You sign. Silly. Good. Silly.
I like being silly. Oh, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.